Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile in the Battle.net application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the top of the page on the left, and then look for the My Profile section and click on that, and then click on the Edit Profile button. As you can see, you can add the photo here, you can write a few words about yourself. You can add links to your profile, and you can set your profile privacy, so who can see your profile or your links. You can just set it to just friends, only me, Real ID friends, and once you made your edits, just click on the save button, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.